Hey guys, right now I'm going to show you four ways you can raise cash today. I'm talking today, so you can have more money available for your real estate investing business, your internet business, whatever you need to make more money. I'm going to show you how to get more money right now. Number one is credit cards. So here's what you want to do. If you have credit cards right now, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, I want you to call the back of the card. On the back of every credit card, you have a phone number. That is to the bank who has that credit card limit. What you need to do is call them and ask them to raise your credit card limit by 4 times. So for example, if you have a Visa, MasterCard, or American Express, or Discover, you have a $5,000 credit card limit, you want to ask them to raise the limit to $20,000. That's right. They might give it to you. Why not? Then you're going to ask them, now they might not give you all 20,000, they might say, we'll give you 10. But you're going to get a higher credit limit, which means now you have more cash that you can pull from a cash advance, or you can use credit cards to pay for anything. But for real estate investors, guys, we have to have money available to flip houses, to buy and sell rental properties. You got to have money available. You can do it right with your credit cards. The second thing you want to do is tell them to lower your interest rate for 6 to 12 months to 0%. That's right. I don't want to pay interest on my credit cards. And most banks will drop that interest rate because you want to tell them, I'm thinking about seriously canceling this card. They don't want you to cancel the card. They want you to keep the card because they want to make interest. You're probably paying way too much interest right now. So if you're paying anything over 5% interest on your credit card, you're paying way too much. Tell them to drop that interest rate to 0% for 6 to 12 months. They might do it, guys. They might just do it. So you're going to get more credit limit, more buying power, more cash, and you're going to drop your interest rate. Number 2, you want to call your bank. Ask them for a credit card. If you don't have a credit card limit or a credit card or a credit account with your current bank, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Chase, Citibank, guys, with the new Trump administration, I don't care what all the negative news says, banks are willing to give everybody money right now. They are lending people money like crazy right now because they think there's going to be a market crash, which there is going to be a small recession over the next 6 to 12 months. But the banks want people to borrow money. The banks are in business to lend money. They're not in business to take your money. They're in business to lend money. When you deposit all your money in your bank account, checking account, savings account, they lend it out. They go buy stocks. They go buy crypto. They're using your money to get rich. Tell the bank you want a credit limit of $100,000 or whatever they'll give you, and then tell them you want 0% interest for the first 6 to 12 months, and then what will the interest rate be after that? That's number 2 way to get money. Number 3, HELOC. HELOC is a home equity line of credit. So let's say you have a house or a property, and you have equity in that house. That's cash. You can use that cash to flip houses, to buy real estate, to start a business. So call your bank and say, hey, your mortgage company, whoever you're paying your mortgage payment to, say, hey, what's my line, I want a HELOC. How much equity do I have in my home? Now they're going to look at your current address, they're going to look at your loan, and they're going to look at the appraised value. It's actually called the ARV, the aftermarket value, or appraisal value. It's going to take them a couple of days. They're going to get back to you, and they're going to say, hey, you have 20,000, 100,000, 50,000, 200,000. We just had a person recently. They had $600,000 of equity in their house. Cash. It's cash, guys. Tell them to set up the HELOC, home equity line of credit. So they're going to take your equity, they're going to put it into an account, and it's available. You can take it out of the ATM. You can take cash out of the ATM. You can use it to buy stuff. You can use it to pay off a student loan, or you can use it to start a business, or you can use it to buy properties, fix them up, and flip them. Is that amazing? So call your bank and get a HELOC. Number 4, you want to start a life insurance policy. If you don't currently have a life insurance policy for your wife, your husband, or your mom, or your dad, or your kids, guys, what are you, stupid? You got to have a life insurance policy. So call your bank again and say, hey, do you have a life insurance person that I can talk to? I want to start a life insurance policy. Perfect, no problem. They're going to give you their number, their email. You can text them. And you want to start a life insurance policy. Here's what it's going to do for you. Number 1, you're going to have life insurance of $500,000, $1 million. You can get it up to $100 million. And that money you can borrow money from. You can borrow cash from that life insurance policy. This is what the rich people do, guys. Rich people are rich because they know all these strategies. Start your life insurance policy. Might take you a week or so. The person is going to ask for all your information, the life insurance agent. They're going to send you the documents through your email. You electronically sign for everything. Bam, you've got your life insurance policy. Now, you're going to have to pay a monthly payment on this, $100, $200, $500, whatever. But it's worth it. You can use your credit card money, your HELOC money, your bank and credit card account limit. You can use your credit limit money, not your cash, and you can pay that monthly life insurance policy payment, and then you can borrow money off your life insurance policy. Guys, on a $1 million life insurance policy, any bank will loan you a minimum of 25% of what that life insurance value is. So if you have a $1 million life insurance policy you took out on your wife, they'll give you $250,000. You can use $250,000. Could you use that to flip a house, to buy a rental property, to make more money, start your internet business, start your social branding business, which is what I put people into. Now, guys, if you have any questions about this or you want my personal one-on-one help, there is a link in the description. Go to the description under this video. There's a link. Contact me. It's direct, right on WhatsApp. I do this all over the world. I have clients in over 60 countries. Guys, get in contact with me. I will walk you through this. It takes about 1 hour, and I will set you up to get a minimum of $100,000 or more, guaranteed, guys, extra cash available so you can become successful in your business, with your family, maybe flipping houses, do real estate, okay? Buy some rental properties so you have money coming in while you're sleeping for retirement. Here's the 4 ways. Any questions? Contact me in that description on my link. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to send you more cool stuff so you can make a lot of money.